The last thing that I want to share is a big five every day. I don't know if anybody's read the bullet journal. If you have, cool. If you haven't, cool. It's just another method to go and to organize your day. But in there, it talks about creating small steps, breaking it down. I was listening to a podcast about Einstein and how he would just go and look at these complex problems and try to break them down to its simplest, easiest form, to the way that any person could understand. Now, with my own life, if I want to get somewhere, right, I want 150,000 books sold. I sit here and I think about it, and it's just like, how am I going to get there? What am I going to do? What can I do today to lead me one step closer to my goal? And every day I set up 5 little things. I break down my morning. I'm up at 5 a.m. every day. Thank you, United States Army, for giving me that gift of a morning wake up. I meditate to try to center myself. And then the next thing I do is I just write out the 5 things I want to get done that day. Sometimes they're big. Sometimes it's as easy as, hey, I got to respond to this email that I've been dreading for whatever reason, but I just got to do it. Or I had the idea about reaching out to these people and figuring it out, so I'm just going to throw myself out there and do it and just move at 5 steps a day, every day. 35 things accomplished a week. That's it. 5 things a day, every day. 30 days in a month, 150 every month that you're getting done. 150 steps closer to whatever it is you want to do. 5 little things. After that, there are days when I go and I get my 5 steps done, and I'm just like, that's it, I'm tapped. I'm doing nothing else. There are days when I'll get 1 step done, and it's just like, nope, that's it. It happened 2 days ago. I had to do something that I've never done that felt completely foreign to me, to go and throw a request. I got a request, and I had to respond in a way that was appropriate for myself, but that is a place that I was so uncomfortable going and asking for what I deserve. Because there is so much imposter syndrome that I live within as a non-native speaker, as a failure. I tell myself all the time in this little head that, hey, no one wants to hear you. You're crazy. No one cares. What do you know about success? You failed more than anyone else. Like, you were in jail. You couldn't graduate. You don't know how to write. I still hear this every day, but it's taking these steps. And then when that opportunity arises, because it will arise, the universe will conspire for your achievement. You go, and just having that courage to go and take action once again, to get that inspiration and let the process keep flowing. You can't wait. You can't wait.